Meanwhile, shipments of 2 COVID-19 antiviral pills just arrived here in New York, including a few dozen providers here in the Hudson Valley. News 12's Jonathan Gordon is at Open Door Medical Center in Port Chester, who received their first batches this week. And Jonathan, what are the doctors telling you?
Yeah, well, the doctors, they say that this could be an absolute game changer. It's really what a lot of them have been looking forward to, a real way, an easy way to treat those who have COVID. But they did caution that we need to temper expectations, at least for right now, just because supply is still so short.
Less than 500,000 doses of Pfizer's Paxlovid and Merck's Molnupiravir are available. An Open Door Port Chester Associate Medical Director, Dr. Max Dijksterhouse, has 500 of them.
4 tablets twice a day for 5 days.
Among the first in the nation to offer them to patients.
This is a game changer for how we're going to be treating this and how we're going to be working with patients.
Last week, more than half of the 1,300 Open Door patients who tested for COVID were positive. But right now, the treatments are only going to people who are most at risk of going to the hospital or dying, including the unvaccinated, elderly, and people with underlying health conditions.
They were thrilled to hear that this is available, and even more thrilled that we could give it to them right here.
The pills work by slowing the virus's ability to replicate and can keep people from getting seriously sick. Merck says the pill reduces hospitalizations by 30%, and Pfizer says by 90%. Earlier this month, the Biden administration doubled the country's order of Paxlovid from 10 to 20 million doses.
We're using every tool at our disposal, including the Defense Production Act, to accelerate delivery.
Now, Jonathan, what happens when Open Door eventually runs out of these pills?
Yeah, well, they're part of this program right now where the government is prioritizing getting it to them because they serve a vulnerable community here in Port Chester. They acknowledge that they will run out at some point in the near future. They are also optimistic that they will get another shipment, but at this moment, they don't have a date on it simply because the supply is just so much in flux. We'll send it back to you.
All right.